Hello guys, welcome to my Andwin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to reinstall Windows Security or Windows Defender. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reinstall Windows Security or Windows Defender on your Windows 10 and Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings, click on Apps, click on Apps and Features. In this you can see here app list, then type here Windows Security. You can see here Windows Security. Just click on this three dot, click on Advanced option, scroll down a little bit. You can see here under Reset you will find first option Repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Just click on Repair. After repair, check whether problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, you can read this one. This app still isn't working right. Reset it. The app's data will be deleted. After that, just click on Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. After reading this, just click on Reset. Just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, check whether problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then click on Start menu again. Type here Windows PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. Right click on that, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here you need to copy paste one of the command what I will provide in my video description link. Just copy paste this command. Copy this command, come to the Windows PowerShell, right click on the top of the PowerShell window, click on Edit, click on Paste and hit Enter. This will reset your Windows Security and apps. Then close this window and restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope the problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset or reinstall Windows Security. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.